What's going on, everybody? It's Donovan here with Team Tate Outdoors, and today we're going to be getting a safe, and not just any safe. We're going to be getting a shelter safe, actually a southern safe to be exact. And what that's for, we're going to be putting that in our maintenance room, because where we're at is basically Tornado Alley here in Oklahoma. The storms are coming, and it's time to get something that's a little bit more safe for my family. So today we're gonna start putting in some sheetrock. We're gonna get this safe installed, and hopefully everything goes well. I'm looking forward to it. All right, let's get into this video.
Which angle's the best?
All right, so now I gotta find the studs. This one should have came over.
What? I'm afraid of me.
All right, guys, well, we are putting on our very first piece of sheetrock a little early because today we're having a storm shelter put in right here. We're actually having the guys do the entire sheetrock job starting on Tuesday. Today's Friday, which I thought it was Thursday. But we need to put this in because they're literally delivering it in about an hour and a half. And I asked the final framing inspector if I could put some sheetrock up. I already took pictures of this. He said, yeah, go ahead, because they're going to be installing the storm shelter right here where we're at and anchoring it to the ground. So I have to get at least this wall covered because we ain't going to be able to get into this spot. All right, guys, look, when you screw it in, you don't sink it deep. You just go just below the surface of this. So when they mud it, it's smooth. You understand, boys? All right, I need this stool. Get up. I'm gonna do the best I can, but this is gonna be right there. No, see the line right there? Right there. You wanna like hold it like that. Squeeze it hard. Got it? You got it? Hold it tight, son. All right. This spot's actually not going to matter. All right. Now you can't really push sheetrock unless you're real close, because it will crack and break on you. Okay.
Did you do something wrong?
Nope, I followed all your measurements.
Dog, that is not right.
Sure. Your measurements were wrong.
What'd I do?
Well, that's wrong. That's why you always double check measurements before you tell me anything.
Did I tell you 33 and a quarter?
I don't care what you told me, but it's not right.
All right.
All right. So we had to recut that one, guys, and it wasn't Eli's fault, it was my fault. Dyslexia got me. It was 43 and a quarter, and you know what I wrote? Yeah, you're right. I wrote 34 and a quarter. Who's got dyslexia like me out there? Anybody? Just me? All right, that's cool. That's cool. I'll take it. Okay, Lord, please let it fit now. it doesn't fit now, it's your fault. There we go.
I'm telling you, I carry.
That's how it is, right there.
This fits.
All right, guys. I'm gonna get this roof piece put on now. And where's my screw gun? Let's throw it on. The guys for installing the safe are outside. We have this piece and that piece to put on. That one, I think we might be able to save it for afterwards, but we definitely got to get this one on and this one on right now. Oh. Good.
We good?
Oh, yeah. Feels good. All right, guys, so we've got the guys from Southern Safe out here. Linda called them up. They were able to have one actually in stock, a 4x6, I believe, which is big enough to hold, that's a little bit better light, big enough to hold all of our family just in there during the storm if it's coming through. What they're gonna have to do is set this in place, drill through the concrete, put some anchor bolts in, and I believe that's it. Hopefully they don't anchor into the drain, so. We were, me and Eli were able to get the mechanics room pretty much sheetrocked at least where they needed to be, and we can get up there and sheetrock that once this thing's installed. There's plenty of room, but I was able to get in here, put this walls in. A little crack right there. That's what mud and tape guys are for, but you're never gonna see that. I did have to get a switch. I put the switch in. It's working. I just got to put the lights on, and we should be good to go. So, woo, loud.
No, then here, those need to go in.
Yeah.
If I stop for too long, it'll all dry up in this.
Yeah.
just got to cure, huh?
Yeah, just wait a few minutes and
The two-part epoxy is that fast, huh?
yeah, very fast, and especially with how hot it is today. That'll be ready in a few minutes. I like to tell the story about we were working up on the roof of the hospital one time, and we had some of this stuff, and like you saw, I put some on the napkin to see if it was like mixing right and everything. Well, I did that up on the roof into a water bottle, and by the time I walked back over to where we were working, the whole funnel had dried up and was hard just from walking like here.
Lost the whole thing, huh?
So they're already tight, huh?
And that's what I'm checking right now. What does it look like? Okay.
All right, guys. Well, we were able to get the sheetrock installed. Me and Elijah, and the Southern Safe is installed. Those guys came in, did a great job, put it in, and we're hoping that we don't ever have to use this thing. But just in case we do, it's here. We've got plenty of room. All we got to do now is just put sheetrock here, cover this room up, put some water heaters in, and that room will be done. But it's Friday. We're probably going to try to put OSB all in the garage to this weekend. And then Monday, I get my sheetrock delivered. And Tuesday, my sheetrockers and my mudders and tapers are going to be in here hammering things out. I can't wait, guys. So, now get over here. Get in here. So, looks crazy. There's like 100-mile-an-hour winds. We got out of the trailer and we're in the house, and we're near, all the kids are in the shelter. Y'all all right?
Go away, I'm going here. Here, Belle.
So cool.
Oh my goodness, you're recording us?
Yeah. It's crazy. Ellie, what do you think? It's crazy, huh?
I'm scared.
What? You know what we call this? We call this a steel building party. It's a steel building party. Thanks for watching. Wait till the next video where we continue to push forward on this house and try to get out of our trailer. If you haven't already, go down there and like this video and subscribe to get the rest of our videos. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time we post a new video. And as always, we'll see you on the next one.